Assalamu alaikum students. In the sequence of literary terms, today I am going to discuss about hyperbole and personification. Hyperbole is a figure of speech and a literary device that creates heightened effect through deliberate exaggeration. Hyperbole is a boldly overstated or exaggerated claim or statement that adds emphasis without the intention of being literally true. In rhetoric and literature, it is often used for serious, comic, or ironic effects. Let's see some examples. She is more beautiful than the moon and stars. He has got tons of money. Her brain is the size of a pea. He is older than the hills. I'm so hungry I could eat a horse. I have told you a million times not to tell a lie. So in all these examples you can find that certain things have been described in an exaggerated way in order to amplify their effects. Now let's see what is personification. Personification is a figure of speech in which an idea or thing is given human attributes and feelings as if it were human. Personification is a common form of metaphor which attributes human characteristics to non-human things. This literary device gives human characteristics to non-human things or inanimate objects by assigning them recognizable human behavior and emotion. For example, the train was snorting. In spring season, the cherry trees look like wearing a white dress. Time and tide wait for none. So in all these examples you can see that train, cherry and time and tide have been given the attributes of humans. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe this channel for more lectures on literature and linguistics.